This video, we are told to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. To solve quadratic equation, 7x squared plus 10x plus 3 is equals to 0. You observe that the leading coefficient here is more than 1. We have 7. You have to multiply the leading coefficient to the last term. The leading coefficient is 7, the last term is 3. So 7 times 3 is 21. You have 21. Then the next thing you think is that you think of two numbers that once you multiply them together, you get the 21. And if you add them together, you get the middle term 10. Also, you see that when you multiply 7 to 3 together, you are getting 21. And if you add them together, you get 10. So let's use it to expand the middle term. So we have 7x squared plus 7x plus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. You know that 7x plus 3x is also 10x, so nothing changed. So we now group the two, grouping by grouping. Factor the common term here. We factor the common term, 7x is common. If you factor 7x, you are left with x plus 1. Then factor out 3 plus 3, you are left with x plus 1 is 0. Since these two brackets are the same, you can now have x plus 1 in a unit bracket into 7x plus 3 in the other bracket equal to 0. So since two things multiply to give 0, that means one of them is 0 or both of them are zeros. X plus 1 is equals to 0. In that case, x plus 1 crossing the equality sign, you have minus 1. So x is minus 1. Then 7x plus 3 equal to 0. That means if you minus 3 from both sides, you have 7x equal to minus 3. Divide through by 7, divide through by 7. If you divide by 7, x is equals to minus 3 over 7. So x can be minus 3 over 7 and x can be minus 1. See you some other time. Bye-bye.